Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can pause your video, your recording on your iPhone. So I will show you how it works. So here you can see that for example we will try to record some video, and here you can see that we haven't button with pause, so we can only stop the video and it will save to gallery, but also we can't pause our video. So we just need to go to App Store, go to Search tab, and just write in Search tab pause cam. So here you can see some apps. So this is, I will try to find some for free. So here you can see pause cam video recorder, so it's for free. So just use your Touch ID to download it. So we will see now our application here. And I hope that with this application we will successfully stop our record video. So I don't know why they didn't add this function to iOS 13, but also you know that you can't with Android camera just stop your video, and it's true. I don't know why. So we need to use some other app to do it. So just open it, after it will install it. So choose enable camera, okay, and enable microphone, okay. So let's try. Just click on record. And also now just click record. Here you can see pause. So after you click pause, here you can see that it saved 7 seconds. It won't it stop our timing, and just while we press this button again to record, it will start again 8, 9, 10, and it will continue our video. So everything's working. So, and if you click on second time here, it will stop the video. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.